Okay, so let's try to make an arrow. So let's select the cylinder, as always. Okay, so squish it a bit. Yeah. Let's pick, no, maybe 4. Extrude it. Select the 2 and extrude it. No, maybe extrude it one more time. Yeah. Maybe we need to divide it. I don't know. Maybe I'll try to extrude it. That's it. Something like that. And extrude it one more time. Yeah. Just in order to have something more interesting, but doesn't look very interesting, you know. Yeah. Okay, maybe we can select these 2 edges. Maybe only these 2. No, you know, I will select this area and do the, say, like a cut or something like that, because I want to do the hole in here and I need a supportive shape. Let's say, okay, so let's select these 2 guys, these 2 edges on the bottom, and yeah, just do bevel. We'll get the shape. Great. To be honest, not so great, because I want to have even more geometry in here. So let's do it in here and one more cut in here. Okay, so we will select this 2 probably and this 2 and do bevel. How it will look. Probably we'll play with a fraction. Awesome. Okay, let's just cut it and check this out. What we will get from this experiment. Yeah, maybe it will be happy accident, maybe not. Great. So let's try to these 2 faces, maybe line like this just a bit. Select it and move to the front. Okay. Okay, and probably the shape is pretty good. Let's try to work on the shape. Yeah. And right, pretty close. We can try to merge it. Okay. In here, we can just like here quads. We can just throw them and bevel, counter up. Okay, pretty sharp line. Great. Okay, so we'll do the same thing on all of the assets. Yeah. Need to have a bit sharper, let's say. Okay, let's try to measure it, how it will look. Just throw it into our geo. Let's scale a bit because it's normally huge. Yeah, awesome. Before this part, I don't know, can be somewhere close this area. Maybe we can even scale it even more. Yeah. Okay. So we need to make the hole in here. So let's select the spaces, insert the loop, probably just counting 140, and maybe that amount will be enough. So okay, let's do cut in here, or let's extrusion. Yeah, okay. There is the axis. Let's extrude it, flatten, right to the surface. Yeah, great. Okay, I will delete these lines, delete them. Okay, so for these guys, in order to stay on the quads, you can just insert one line. Yeah, it will be quad. Same for this area. Oopsie. Okay, let's select vertical points. Trying to make more quad look like, yeah. Okay, something like that. Okay, so it's looking pretty decent. Maybe we can use the placement, something like that. But in general, I can see looking good. Maybe we even can delete these two lines and or just try to scale them down in order to get sharper edge in here. Yeah, you can see something like that. Okay, for me it's looking pretty good. Okay, let's find the linen material for our arrow. And this is intentional, as you saw it was thinner on the nose, let's say on the tip. So this is the reason why we have that shadow, circular shadow. Yeah, yeah, I've not explained it when I was extruding that. Okay, so maybe we'll flatten these guys, something like that. Okay, maybe later if we will want to do so, can try to increase that a little bit bigger, let's say, or maybe even right now. Let's check how it will look like, because sometimes we can see the numbers in here through that hole. So this is the main idea, and if there's a few lines of let's say numbers, you can see that as well. but when we will get the texture, it will be a different story. Yeah. Okay, so definitely we're moving forward, and that's a great thing. So yeah, looking not bad for this arrow. Will be great. Probably need to do it a bit better. How to do it? Then I don't know. It's up to you. Okay, guys. So read this short tutorial, just making an arrow, and here we will be doing such small things until we complete this device. Yeah. So stay tuned. Cheers and goodbye.